welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to review your filtered comments in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now in some cases we might want to filter our comments, since some of them might contain offensive words, some of them might contain keywords, taggings, etc, etc. But before that, let's go to our TikTok app. You might want to filter your comments for various reasons. Now, to review your filtered comments, all you need to do is you must first go to the profile option in the bottom right corner of your phone. After that, you can see the three light icon at the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that, let's go to our settings and privacy option. To go there, let's tap there, and after that, you can see all these options have popped out on the top. The account category is available, and in the account category, privacy option is located in the second one. Just tap there, and after that you can see the comments option under the safety category a little down, just below the downloads. Let's tap there, and after that you can see the comment management section, which is at the bottom of your screen, and you can see an option named review filtered comments, and only approved comments will be displayed over here. Let's tap here. For currently I have not filtered any comments, so no comments are available here. But guys, this is the place where you see or review all your filtered comments. This is the place where all your filtered comments are stored in TikTok, guys. And now, just as you can also use tools to delete certain comments on your video, other users might also choose to delete comments you posted on the video. So guys, this is a little bit of a hassle, but this is the place where you review all your filtered comments. And tap if you have available if you have reviewed filtered comments over here. If you have and some of them you want to approve or delete, you can do it from here. But guys, currently I have no I have no current filtered comments, so I will not be tapping approve or delete or anything. I'm just showing you the process of how you review your filtered comments. Okay guys, reviewing your filtered comments is this easy in TikTok. And if you have any comments or question regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys, peace.